Food prices are wild right now. A head of lettuce shouldn't cost as much as a small pizza, but that's what we're dealing with. Here's the good news. The most expensive vegetables at the store are usually the easiest ones to grow at home. Today, I'm giving you 15 crops that will save you a ton of money, especially if you've got a small backyard, a few containers, or even just a sunny porch. We'll move fast, and I'll tell you why each one is a winner. Let's get growing. First up, leafy greens. Lettuce, spinach, kale. These are the ultimate money savers. They keep producing fresh leaves week after week, and one $3 packet of seed can replace $50 or more in store runs. Plant them tight in a pot or container and you'll have a steady supply. Next, green onions, also called spring onions. Buy them once and you're set for life. Cut the tops, replant the bottoms, and they keep coming back. Infinite onions, right from your kitchen counter. Tomatoes, cherry or grape varieties, are up next. These put out the most fruit per plant. One container on a sunny balcony can give you bowls of tomatoes every week all summer. Herbs, basil, cilantro, parsley. Grocery stores charge a premium for tiny bundles, but one pot at home gives you months of harvest and way fresher flavor. Garlic, one bulb can become 10. It stores for months, and honestly, garlic prices are just silly these days. Plant in fall, harvest in summer, and eat all year. Zucchini. One plant can feed 3 households. I'm not exaggerating. These things are machines. Potatoes, scraps from your kitchen turn into kilos of food. Grow bags, buckets, whatever you've got. It all works. It's like printing your own carbs. Sweet potatoes. Buy slips cheap. Harvest is huge. Plus, the leaves are edible too, so it's 2 crops in one. Peppers, especially bell peppers. Stores price them like gold. But one healthy plant can crank out 10 to 20 peppers. If it's sunny and warm, you're golden. Carrots. Super easy. Store-bought ones just don't compare. Sow once, harvest for months. Beans, bush or pole types. Pick what fits your space. They give you protein, and they even help your soil by fixing nitrogen. Cucumbers. Let them climb and you save big. Trellising means you use less space and get more food. Strawberries. Stores sell them at a premium because they spoil fast. Grow them at home and they taste like candy. Cabbage. One head is basically 5 salads. Ferment it into sauerkraut and you stretch your savings even more. And finally, onions. You use them in everything, right? Plant a patch and you'll never need to buy a bag again. Every crop on this list is cheap to start, easy to grow, and gives you a huge yield for the space. You're not just saving money, you're upgrading your food, building confidence, and rewriting your grocery bill. So, tell me in the comments, which of these will you grow first? If you love soil-smart food freedom, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep growing together. Soil Doctor, signing off. Back to the garden.